Mweri-ini wa mugwanja mwaka muhituku niguo anake eri kuuma kaunti-ini ya Kiambu mereirwo kuheo wira wa guthondeka itanda cia ICU cia kuhuthirwo mathibitari-ini thutha wa ngumo yao gutamba na uthunduri wao wa guthondeka itanda ici. Kiari kiraniro kiahete mwihoko munene kurio amu president niwe weranire anake acio maheo wira wa guthondeka itanda icio. No ihinda-ini ria mieri mugwanja riu gutiri Itanya ona rimwe rikinyanirio kuri anake eri makoretwo magiteta ati thirikari ndikinyanirie uge wa president. No undu wa kumakania ni ati thutha wa ruhonge rwa ukinyaniria wa motungata wabici-ini ya mutongoria wa bururi gwikinyia mwena wa Githunguri muthenya wa ira kugira itanda ici na kuriha anake acio rori ya gukua itanda icio irainukire utheri amu gutirari gitanda ona kimwe maronire.
They have a debt of 3.6 million. They have used it to buy materials. When I went to the workshop today, those materials were not there. As I had indicated earlier, that I am willing to buy the materials they have bought, so that then they are no longer in debt. They have bought caster wheels, they have bought lifting mechanisms, and I have said that I will pay.
Kuringana na ruhonge ruru undu uria utumite undu uyu wage gukinyaniria ni mawatho ma uguri kwaga gukinyanirio ndugamano ya utongoria wa kambuni ria mahuthirire na oho umwe wao gukorwo ari na rekodi njuru ya kimuturire undu uria mwanake uyu urorerikana mitugo yake ti miega hariganite naguo.
And visited Gathogo's workshop, and the Madam DCC is here, the OCPD is here. After I came here, Gathogo was arrested for fraud. When I came here and this story went round in social media, somebody from Nakuru called me and told me that young man came and took my 800,000 shillings to deliver for me something, which he never delivered.
Maraugire ati matingituhe wira ucio atiri tondu wa my past, na rauga ati oka guku tiri ndari na my issues. Kwenda kumera tha ici all the full media tha ici twina inyui haha. Githunguri police station is not far. Auga ndakomire kuu thiko cigana, thiko 3 muthie borithi ino ya Githunguri tondu niguo makiuga nima angikorwo ni nyandikitwo ibuku-ini riu riao muthima muonie ni ha na mamunengere ubiu na boguo ithi mundu andikwo ta muhaka rekondo araingira kuu.
Itanya rinene rirari guteithiriria anake aya gukorwo makiriha mathiri mao maria mari namo na kumateithiriria guthie na mbere na wira wao undu uria utanonekana kuoyo no ritu ni anake aya.
What I don't want is to leave you in debt today. That is the first thing that I want to deal with. The debt of the 3.6 million that you have spoken about. Yes. That is what I want to deal with today, because of course it would be very bad if you are in debt.
Ndeto ino ni raguciririe mubunge mutumia kaunti-ini ya Kiambu Gathoni wa Mucoba.
Ngoiga atiriri kuma rucini gutire wira ungi ndutite ndita mama county ndatinda guku na ndatinda guku tondu ni ngwendaga gutigirira timu ya wakahio yoka guku matuhe solution.
Kiuria kinene kiria yumiria hihi itanda 500 iria anake aya mari mathondeke iriku. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritoroko ni Wanjiru wa Foro.